just bow down and thank you. From our tambourine dancers, Sister Grace de Guzman. Sorry, meron pa pala silang finale. Come on!
Oh, this is for everybody. This is for everyone. Kami na wala. We are the one to stay with us.
Can we hold our hands, brothers and sisters, as we sing the song that Jesus is the risen of the season? Amen? And can we hold our hands?
Watch out, move. We're gonna be in the video.
So, can I call all the tambourine dancers and the music ministers? As we're gonna call it to them, can you just bow down your heads? Starting from the tambourines, Sister Grace de Guzman and her daughter Scarlett de Guzman. Bow down. Deborah Catayon, Megan Garcia, Joanne, and of course the sibling John Trinidad, the guitarist. Bow. And of course, Christine and the father, Noel Rigor. From to the left, Sister Eileen Sarceno, Sister Beth Visaya, Sister Linda Castro, Brother Miguel, of course, with his son Michael Guache, our Princess Diane Montemar from Japan, and Sister Susan Garvez, and of course, the two sons with the young Joseph Awalego. Where is young Joseph? Awalego, Garvez from England. And of course, the father and daughter Erica and Oliver Vidalio from India. The one and only cowboy from Southern America. the Philippines. And there is another princess of Marlet Gutierrez from England. And of course, at the back from Poland with baby boy. Yung naka-jumper po, Kuya Paul, our coordinator in music. And of course, Kasan, the drummer. And of course, our one and only keyboardist, Mr. Simple Parker. We forgot one of our tambourines, our best tambourines, of course, the two other Mrs. Visor Annalisa, and of course, Mrs. Nera Madeline. Where are they? And of course, we would like to thank also the kitchen people, the Poland, the Chinese, what else? The Japanese, the Dutch, as they prepare their food. So all of us will go for the dinner, but don't leave because we have a computer for a donation tonight. It might be one of you will be mapupulot. Kaya mag-play na po tayo sa pagkain. Ngayon, maraming salamat po for all the foods. Sanctified all this food, and this food will give us nourishment for our physical body. Lord, to you.